let Mr. President know that all leaders of the Southeast feel that the release of NNAMDI KANU will help in dousing all the tensions and everything that is going on in the Southeast.
Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the Nigerian government declared war on 15 January 1970. The conflict officially ended. Ojukwu himself remained in exile for 13 years. After he was officially pardoned by the Nigerian government, he returned in 1982. He died in November 2011 and was given a full military burial in a ceremony attended by the then Nigerian President, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. 58 years after the Biafran conflict, Nigeria is still battling to maintain its unity, with various groups, not just the Igbo, calling for the restructuring of Africa's most populous nation. The government's policy of no victor, no vanquish may have led to a lack of official reflection, but many Nigerians of Igbo origin grew up on stories from people who lived through the war. One of such people is a man born on the same day that Nigerian Biafra War started. No wonder he has taken the struggle very personal. His name is
that was being submitted was deemed to be subject to trial within trial. So the judge or the court conducted a trial within trial, and the ruling on that will happen tomorrow. Granting press interviews that will seem to be rendering opinion on the trial. However, we can give you just the basic information of what happened and what is going to happen. But first and foremost, let me greet all the Umuchineke here who saw fit to come today. It's regrettable that you could not enter the courtroom and all that. I think it was because of limited space and so on. But the legal team appreciates your dedication to coming to this trial every time it occurs to demonstrate your solidarity. Well, the man who is interviewing us, Mr. Chekwas, has pretty much summarized what happened today. The case was called and the prosecution presented one more additional witness, and the witness was examined and cross-examined by us.
Which he founded in 2012, and his main aim is to restore the defunct Republic of Biafra, which existed in Nigeria's eastern region during the Nigerian Civil War of 1967. His resurrection of what many argue could be a reminder of a forgotten injury or the needed balm of Gilead did not go down well with the government of Nigeria, led by the then President Muhammadu Buhari, who accused him of treason and terrorism. He has been in detention for years without proper trial, which allegedly led to the violence, killings, and destructions witnessed in the southeast region, with many pointing accusing fingers to his supporters to have been behind the attacks. There were also claims that he ordered the southeast to be shut down on Mondays of every week as a show of solidarity, meaning no business activities. Now, whether these claims are true or not is currently being tried in court.
There is need for us to find a middle ground to bring peace to Southeast. Many things has gone wrong in the East. Is it that Nigerians don't feel for the destruction going on in the Southeast? Businesses are being burned to the ground. People are being killed. All sorts of criminal activities is going. Even security agencies are also being killed.
The case, which started in 2015, has sparked national reactions, especially over the Court of Appeal judgment that dismissed the charges against NNAMDI KANU in October 2022. The federal government of Nigeria appealed the judgment to the Supreme Court, and the Apex Court gave their verdict in December 2023, and many NNAMDI KANU supporters had expected that the festive period of that 2023 would be a double celebration for them, but that did not happen, as the court ordered NNAMDI KANU to return to the Federal High Court and defend himself on the remaining charges. The icing on the cake for many is that the Supreme Court had agreed that the invasion of his hometown by security forces and his rendition from Kenya were illegal.